MTD CNC are here at EMO 2019 in Hanover, and we are on the Muratec stand. My question to you is, what do you think, what are your expectations of Muratec as a brand? Think about it, because Paul, I'm going to ask you.
Okay, well, for me, I've been blown away on this stand, because when you see some of the machines we're looking at, the speed that they're moving, they're just like lightning, and what's going on, the different operations, how the machines are configured. I just look at them, I think that they are a one-hit machining specialist, really, to get the part off in one hit.
Okay, so we'll be having a look around the stand, but Muratec is a company and it's sold in the UK through Matsuura. Now for me, what I've seen is the fact that they want to keep that part in that machine and pretty much come off as quick as it possibly can as a finished part, right?
Yeah, definitely. Let's start with this one here. Now we've got two spindles on this machine. Each side has got its own turret. But the spindles are sort of facing us, they're not opposing each other, and it's just the way it's the best way to get the parts off of the machine as quickly as possible. You can see the robots are putting the part in, turning it round, and then turning it around and then taking it out. So it's doing like op 1 and op 2 each side. And at a terrific speed as well. I mean, you watch the way the gantry is moving left to right is just, I dread to think what speed they are. So.
Well, a little fact for you as well. You'll see above some of the machines, the gantry loaders are on monorails, and there's loads of facts around the whole stand as to improvements on speed, and it's literally speed, isn't it?
Well, it is, and then this is slightly different. Again, here we've got a 3-turret machine with 2 spindles, and the idea here is the fact that you've got 3 turrets. It means that when you've got a part, if there's any areas where you've got dead time, you can eliminate those, because you can be doing an operation because you've got more tools, you've got more turrets. And the idea behind this sort of solution is to make sure that at every possible opportunity you're cutting metal.
Yeah. And you're moving, to be fair, they blow me away. Now, what we want to do is we want to go round to the front of the stand, and this is pretty epic. As a brand, as a company, we're talking the fact that the main company have over 3,500 employees, and with subsidiaries, I'll get that one out right, over 7,400 people. So by no sense of the imagination is this a small Japanese company.
Well, when you think about that amount of people as well, you need that amount of people to design and develop solutions like this.
Right, let's have a look at this.
What's going on? This is like a completely integrated cell here. Now again, we've got parts being machined on 2 spindles, we've got them being turned over, we've got them being taken out of this area and then moved into
with that monorail gantry loader.
Monorail gantry into areas where they're doing engraving, they're doing the measurement aspects, so the metrology, and then they're washing the components afterwards. And then over here as well, we have, to be quite honest, I don't really know where this sort of starts and ends, but it is very, very impressive. What they're trying to illustrate is exactly that at every possible opportunity, the parts are coming off this machine as quick as possible.
As quick, as finished as possible, with as many operations that they can fulfill into one. Piece. Wow.
Yeah, it is, and you can see the Murata or the Muratec machines at the Matsuura open house, which is actually on the 8th, 9th and the 10th of October. They'll have 2 machines there that will be on show, and I tell you what, it's technology like you may not see elsewhere. When it comes to speed and precision, these machines really do tick all the boxes.
There you go, date for your diary.